Hi guys, here is shrimps in a lemon butter sauce. Here is raw shrimps. So we take raw shrimps and open. It cost me $6.20. So I'm just opening shrimps. Yeah, it is a vacuum package. Pretty nice, pretty fresh. Now I'm drying up all shrimps. It has to be dry, so I just took paper towel and drying. So here we go, squishing, just squishing. Now I'm cleaning and from shrimp shells. So I'm just take shrimps from shells. So shrimps, it's pretty big size and it looks very fresh. So now we're going to cook. Okay, now I'm drying out again. Put a little extra virgin oil or olive oil. So a little bit of oil. Mixing up. So shrimps have to absorb it. And now parsley, paprika, lemon peel, black pepper, and garlic powder. So mixing and putting on top of shrimps all these spices and mixing up. So mixing up very well. This is rice. I am pre-cook rice right now. Garlic. Squishing garlic. So it will be very nice, very smells good sauce. Squishing. Now we put a little bit virgin olive oil into a pan. Okay, and dampen all our shrimps. Yeah, dampen now, and the shrimps has to lay in one by one, so they don't have to be like one on top of another. So they just lay in very nicely one by one. Given 1 minute to fry it one side, 1 minute fry on another side. So it has to be a little bit like sort of orangey. Oh guys, it smells so good. You cannot imagine how it smells. It's just perfect smell. And tasty. I cannot wait to eat. Okay, now we are all shrimps taken to a plate. Now we're taking all shrimps. They look amazing. It's difficult to show on a video how they look like and smell like. They just like in paradise, in heaven. So butter. I use Dairy Gold butter. Melting butter into a pan. Melting very well. But you have to make sure it is not a strong fire. Put in a little bit parsley, dried parsley a little bit, and a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit splash of garlic powder, just for smell and consistency. It will be just really nice. Yeah, now we melting everything, mixing everything together, and garlic. Our squished garlic we're going to put into a pan and mixing up like for like 30 seconds, not more, just a little bit, like up to 1 minute, just to make it like all work together. Oh, guys, it's just amazing. And putting shrimps down there in a pan. Yeah, and mixing up, leaving for 1 minute again. Look at that. Look at this beauty. Yeah, okay. Mixing very well. I cannot wait to eat, really. It's my first cook this way. So, and lemon. I'm squishing lemon. Like half of lemon I'm squishing into a pan, just going very well with lemon. Yeah, just covering. Again mixing, trying. Perfect. Just perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to put food on a plate. Rice. Cooked rice. Yeah, the rice was cooked for 10 minutes. Yeah, put shrimps on top of rice. And butter, garlic, lemon sauce, of course. Yeah, on top of this. Then I put already cut watermelon. Just nice contrast. And I did salad, spinach salad with, veggies. Wow! This is just wow! Yum! Okay, and I'm going to serve my man dinner. I tell you, he will be very impressed. I hope he will be impressed with my cook. Yeah, darling, you have to try it. Here we go, something new I cooked. Yeah,